I'm Courtney, and this is my handmade home in Atlanta, Georgia. I feel like our home is very influenced by what we do for a living. I'm an artist and my husband's a photographer, and our home is very colorful and playful and full of photography and books and art from all of our travels. Pretty much the day that we got the keys, the first thing we did was buy paint. A little paint can go a long ways. In our living room, for instance, I've tried to keep it more gender neutral in the colors so that my husband can feel like he lives here too. So our home is still colorful, but probably not quite as colorful as my artwork is. The biggest splurge in our home so far would probably be our Anthropologie leather chair and chase. Everyone loves this. The dogs love it too, I think because of the soft velvet. It's just so funky and it's really heavy. But yeah, I've held on to all of my ceramic pieces because they're all just a little quirky. I always wanted an at-home studio. You know, I wanted it to be a space that would be so inspiring that I would want to go down there and do the work. So that's probably my favorite spot in the home. I needed it to be cute, but most importantly, I needed it to be functional so that I can actually do the work that needs to be done. My super sweet husband built me this ladder so I can crawl up top of this closet, and that is where I store extra canvases. Let me show you this bathroom. We have 4 bathrooms in our house and there's only 2 of us. So this bathroom I call the party pooper. I added stars to the top of that floor. It was a tedious process, so allow yourself more time than what you thought because you need lots of drying time in between the layers. It's decorated with a lot of, I guess, like nostalgic things. I did like my own version of hand-painted wallpaper. All the little decorations that I have in there, I think really show my personality, even though it's just a bathroom. Like, I have a little thing that says like, please f off, like really cute and pink lettering. So I think that the bathroom shows my humor and my playfulness. I just see that that's my style. I have this very playful, youthful home, and I don't think it matters how old I get, I will always have that vibe in my house. Your home should be your sacred space, and it should be your favorite space to be, I think.